Imagine this. You're sitting in class, same lectures, same assignments, same routine, but there's one student. He looks completely normal, no fancy clothes, no rich background, but somehow he's quietly making $1,000 every single month, and almost no one knows how. Now here's the truth most people don't talk about. In the US, today, more and more students in the US are starting side hustles, and many of them are earning hundreds of dollars every month. But here's what's interesting. Most of them don't make much. The average side hustle income is around $800 to $900 per month. SurveyMonkey. And a huge number of people never cross $1,000. So when a student consistently makes $1,000 per month, that's not normal, that's strategy. Let's call him Alex. Alex isn't a genius, he's not coding apps, he's not trading crypto. He just made one smart decision. Instead of chasing quick money, he focused on one simple skill. Here's what most people get wrong. They try everything, dropshipping, crypto, surveys, and end up making nothing. But Alex picked one thing, freelancing, because freelancing is simple. You use a skill and someone pays you for it. For example, writing video editing social media posts. And here's the crazy part. Even beginners can earn money. Some freelance gigs pay $5 to $25 per task when starting. But as skills improve, people charge $25 to $50 per hour or more. Now here's the part no one tells you. Alex didn't try to get rich fast. He followed a simple system. Step 1, learn a basic skill for 30 days. Step 2, offer work for cheap or even free. Step 3, get first client. Step 4, increase price. That's it. Simple but powerful. And here's why it works. Most people quit early, but those who stay consistent for 3 to 6 months start seeing real income. Now let's break the math. If Alex charges $100 per client, he only needs 10 clients. That's $1,000 per month, or $250 per client, only 4 clients. That's it. Not 1,000 clients, not millions of views, just a few people paying for value. But here's what you don't see. Late nights, learning new skills, rejections, because this isn't passive income, it's skill-based income, and that's why it works. Because once you have a skill, you're no longer trading time, you're selling value. So the next time you see a student sitting quietly in class, just remember, they might not be broke, they might just be building something that most people don't even understand yet. Follow for more videos.